Okay, then why do you have water in it?
No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, it's not that
Dang,
difficult.
like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah.
Like, don't get on me! Look at the toilet! Stop it!
I'm just, I want to pick him up to him.
I was trying to fix it on the
Wait,
toilet.
why do I smell you? Big poopy.
But it ain't do nothing.
What the fuck?
That's how you do it. Bruh, I was doing it like that!
Yo!
No way you use
Me be on. Oh, this is bad.